So this is what's going on. What a mess. Alright, as I had mentioned, I blew out these little terminal leads there. When I was hooking up that inverter, I made a mistake. So it blew out the wire all the way to the end. So this is one of them that I blew out. I blew out two of them, sorry. Have to say. So what I did was I cut one in half and took it apart, took all that out, and then replaced it with this wire right here. Put everything back into the head of that, and there's the back side of it right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dust this hot glue gun off that I've never used. I just had sitting there somehow forever. And we're gonna hot glue the inside of that so that those wires can't touch in there. And we're gonna take this and put this cap back on the back of it. So we'll see how that goes. See you in a minute.